Hi guys.
Hey, we're back.
Wave. Say hi, Basil. That's your mom rowing the dog. Check her out, dude. Isn't that awesome? Your mom's up here on Saddlebag Island. Check her out. She's rowing to the beach and back. Dylan had to go pee. Hi, I'm Chris. This is the boat I want your mom to come sailing with me on. I want to come down to the South Pacific, come see you. Solar panel, check that out. Here she comes, she's getting closer. Hard right. Hard right, hard right. There you go. Huh?
But was I supposed to make that happen?
What's that?
First time? Stay. Come on. You can go sideways. You can go sideways. No, wait. You're gonna you can stop filming.
Oh no. This is great.
Look it over there. Look.
Oh look, sailboat. Oh look, sailboat. Oh look, your mom rowing to the boat. Now she's going the other way. Why are you going to that sailboat? See, she's going away. She wants to go to that sailboat. See it way over there? Yeah. She's going away. Where's she going? she got seaweed on the other oar. See that? Look at that, Basil. She got seaweed on the oar. And Dylan's like, what are you doing donuts out here in the water anyway? Come on. Oh my god, ramming speed. Here she comes. Here she comes. Oh, she almost made it. Oh, she got it. Yay.
Like this.
Hold on. Don't jump in yet. Or jump up yet. Don't let go. Don't let go. Don't worry about that yet. You're gonna get away.
I did it.
Come over here. Come over here. Hold tight. Hold tight. Hold tight. That's all right. Come on. Ready? Come on. Up. Good boy. Good boy. Stay up here. Stay up here. Good boy. Okay, Mom, now, tie off. Look at that. Your mom's got one shoe on and one shoe off and seaweed in the boat. What's going on with that, dude?
I know.
I mean, seriously, and she's gonna let go of the boat. She's gonna have to row back. See, she's learning the process of how to, like, tie the boat off first and then do all that other stuff. And it's gonna, oh, she's gonna throw her shoes at me now. Watch her.
You did it! I got passed!
Your mom is a rock star.
That was a close call, but don't worry about it. Everything's under control.
Okay, say bye. All good.